Hello students. In the previous module we saw the word problems based on geometrical figures. Now it's time for us to go through a word problems based on weight. Now when we are doing this sum, before we start with this sum, I hope you already know this, that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs, right? Now you will be requiring that in this sum. Let's see what the sum is. The question is, two types of boxes A, B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. 1 ton is 1000 kgs. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in a truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A and are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. So it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of the box. Initially, don't try to understand anything, just read the last statement, and the last statement is find the weight of each type of the box. That is the weight of box A and the weight of box B. So let the weight of box A be x kgs and weight of box B be y kgs. Now just for your understanding, let's have a table in front of you so that your understanding becomes better. And in this sum, it is given that there is a truck having a capacity of 10 tons. When we say 10 tons, meaning 10 into 1000, that is 10,000 kgs, right? So the total capacity of the truck is 10,000 kgs, right? So let's do it in the tabular form. Table should not be the part of your presentation in the exam. It is only for your understanding, right? So there are two types of boxes A and B, where the weight of box A is x kgs and the weight of box B is y kgs, right? Now in the first condition, look at the number of boxes. 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B, right? So if weight of one box is x kgs, what would be the weight of 150 boxes? One box x. So two boxes 2x, three boxes 3x. Similarly 150 boxes 150x. That's the weight of box A, 150 boxes of type A, right? Similarly for B, it will be 100 into y. Now when this is happening, the truck is fully loaded, that is it weighs 10 tons, that is the total weight is 10 tons, which is 10,000 kgs. So box A, the total weight is 150x, box B, the total weight is 100y, and the total weight of the truck is 10,000 kgs. So can we say 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000. So that's your first equation. You can simplify this further by dividing throughout by 50. Like I had told you in the Anushka base sum as well, you could have divided it throughout and made the equation simple. Here also you can do the same. We can divide throughout by 50 and make the equation simple. When you do this, you get 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. Let this be the first equation. The similar way, the second equation is formed. In the second equation, just read it properly. There are 260 boxes of type A and 40 boxes of type B. So what would be the total weight of type A? 260x. You already know the logic why. What would be the total weight of type B? It will be 40y, right? And it is given that when this happens, the truck is fully loaded. Again, fully loaded meaning the total weight is 10,000 kg. So the second equation is 260x plus 40y is equal to 10,000. So equation formation in this sum in both the conditions are similar, right? Just that the number of boxes are changing, right? Let's divide throughout by 20 here. When we divide throughout by 20, we get 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. Let this be the second equation. Now let us solve it by the method of equating the coefficients. Look at the coefficients of x. The coefficients are not the same. We cannot eliminate x, but look at the coefficients of y. The coefficients are already the same. So we can easily eliminate y. The signs are also the same, so we need to subtract. Let's subtract equation 2 from 1. This is your first equation. This is your second equation. Let's subtract. Subtract, change the signs. Plus 13x will become minus 13x, plus 2y will become minus 2y, and plus 500 will become minus 500. Now let's subtract. 2y will get cancelled. 3 minus 13 is minus 10 because the bigger number has got the minus sign, right? 200 minus 500 is again minus 300 because the bigger number has got the minus sign. So minus 10x is equal to minus 300. Minus minus becomes plus. You get x is equal to 300 upon 10, that is 30. So the value of x is 30. Once you get x is equal to 30, substitute either in the first or the second equation. When you substitute it in the first equation, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 200, we get 3 into 30 plus 2y is equal to 300, which is 90 plus 2y is equal to 200. That's 2y is equal to 200 minus 90. That's 2y is equal to 110. So y is equal to 55, 110 upon 2, right? X is 30, y is 55. Don't forget to write the final answer. The question is find the weight of each type of a box. So your answer is, therefore, the weight of each type of box, that is box A, is 30 kgs and box B is 55 kgs. As simple as that.